Welcome to TCU Online. First, I'll show you how to log in and then give you a brief tour. Go to the website d2l.tcu.edu and enter your username and password, the same that you use for your my.tcu.edu or email. Click Sign In, and this will take you to the TCU Online homepage. From here, you'll see the purple minibar up at the top. When you click on the My Home button, it will take you back to this homepage. Next is the area where you can select what course you want to visit. Just click on the name. You can also pin the ones that you're currently using so they'll pop up to the top. Next, there are 3 buttons. These each have a little red dot when there's an alert or something that you should know about that's happened. The first is the envelope. This allows you to send and receive instant messages within the platform. It also allows you to send email from the platform to your students' email or to your email. Next is the updates area. It'll show you what's new content or if there's any other updates that you should know about. The next is the discussions update. It allows you to subscribe and see when students have posted to your discussion threads. When you click on the drop-down area next to your name, you'll see that you have the option to view the website as a student. This is useful inside your classes so that you can see what your students will see. You can also work on your profile, notifications, or account settings from this menu. You can also log out here or down in the nav bar here. The nav bar also includes the user progress, which is useful inside of classes to see how students are doing based upon the metrics that you choose. You can also view the calendar for different events and dates that you've set up, Wigio, which is a groups tool, or you can access help. You can submit a help ticket, contact support, read how-to documentation, watch training videos, or learn from others in the Brightspace D2L community for people outside of TCU who also use D2L. Full Out Discover will be integrated with the bookstore so that you can select your textbooks. Below that, you'll see that there are 3 columns, a left, center, and right. In this left column, you'll see the Concierge Widget. You can say, Set My Goals, and this allows you to learn new information. So if I want to learn how to create a quiz, I click the button and save settings, and now I've got a video and a website that will walk me through the steps. You can edit the list at any time to learn about other topics. You can also chat with someone at D2L and get support in real time. This center column shows you all the courses that you're currently enrolled in. You can sort them by the role or by the semester. You can click the little drop-down arrow here to see them or to hide them. To go to the class, just click on the name. The right-hand column has the calendar, which shows you upcoming events, and also the settings area, where you can also access your profile, account settings, or notifications for if you or your students want emails or texts about notifications and updates in the class. Now let's go to a class. I'm going to click on the name, and this is what the homepage for a standard TCU Online class looks like. You'll notice that you've got additional navigation bar here, content, grades, activities, people, other tools, and then over on this side, course admin and manage files. In the center, you have the announcements area where you can post announcements for your students. You also have an updates area where you'll see where you have things to grade. For students, they'll see things that are about to be due. And below that, you'll have the course overview. This is where you can see how many students are visiting the course and the class engagement. Now, when you first grab a class, you'll notice you have 6 setup tasks remaining. If you click on it, it'll list those 6 tasks, and then it'll teach you how to do it when you click on it, so you can learn directly from this widget. When you're all done, you can mark them all as complete and get rid of it. Now, in order to see your content, you'll click in Content. And now you're in the content area of your course. You can select grades to go to the gradebook. You can select activities to see assignments, blog, checklist, discussions, self-assessments, surveys, and quizzes. You can select people to see attendance, chat, class list, which is how you also email students, groups, instant messages, and locker. Or you can select other tools to see announcements, awards, ePortfolio, FAQ, glossary, links, or rubrics. You have access to Course Admin, and this has other tools that are not up in the nav bar, tools that students tend to not use. You also have Manage Files, which is also just for you, and where you can store all of your documents and PowerPoints and things for your content. This left-hand area is going to allow you to provide a course overview, bookmarks that show specific pages that you've bookmarked throughout the course. That's just specifically for you. The course schedule, which shows upcoming due dates that you've placed on items, and then the table of contents. This has the modules and submodules with content inside of them. This middle area is where all of your content will be shown. If you want to view it as a student, you can click up here on your name and say View as Student. It's going to kick you out to the home page of your course so that you know that you've switched to Student View. It also puts a white box around Student up at the top. And then you can click on Content and see your content from the student's perspective. Just click on an item and it'll take you directly to that page. When you're done seeing it as a student, go back up, select, and click the X. So there you have it. You're all ready to get started. Thanks for watching.